Welcome. Today I will be showing you how to set up your Webmin GUI interface or GUI. What the Webmin does is basically a manager for the services you have installed on your center side sensors. So without further ado, let's begin. So first things first, we're gonna enter roots. Once that's done, we're gonna do DNF updates and dash Y for yes. Let's make sure it's updating. Wait for it to come up. Okay, I'll see you when it's finished updating. Okay, once the update is done, mine took about 15 minutes because of how fast or how slow my Wi-Fi was. But depending, it could be like up to half an hour, it could be even be 5 minutes. Alright, but anyways, most important thing once that's done, let's change directory to root. So we do cd, copy, cd slash, we do cd slash, then we need to edit the repository file for Webmin. So copy, paste, enter. In this repository file, we're adding this. So the webman, the name of the name, as well as the download link, and enable equal 1 to enable the repository. Then save and exit. Next, we're gonna go to here, wget, and then this URL to get the keys for webman. So press enter. And the most important thing, we're looking for the download to finish here, as well as this saying that the key was saved. So after, we need to import the key. Right, once the key is imported, let's go ahead and add the port to the firewall. So this port allows us to check the webman on other computers, as I'll demonstrate. So next we need to reload. And last but not least, we come on to the final steps here. We're gonna install our actual webman service. Press yes. Wi-Fi yes. Right. Once the DNF install is finished, the DNF install Webmin is finished, what you're going to do, you're going to press enable Webmin, start your Webmin, and check the status to make sure it's good. After that, what we're going to do, we're going to go activities, Firefox, now my system is a little slow, so it'll take a little while for me. I'm going to click new tab, and then I'm going to copy this IP address here. But what the IP address is https colon forward slash forward slash. That is the key next to your shift button. Then you're typing in your server IP address and then colon port 10,000. Right. So once you reach here, you're gonna get this page. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go advanced, accept risk and continue. And then from here, you're gonna use your root and the password you use for your CentOS machine or your root password. And there we go. That is Webmin on the client side. So it shows you what's how your computer running one. It shows you the name and then it also shows you the services you have enabled. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our Windows clients, enter your password, then go to your search bar, type internet. Again, machines are a little slow because it could be a RAM thing that any processes. So you just have to be a little patient with it. And then you'll see internet options pop up. So we're gonna click that. Hopefully it works in a timely manner. No, I have I set it up proxy before this. However, for my whenever I try to load the site for Webmin, it doesn't with the proxy on. So you press OK. So you disable the proxy. Then you launch your Internet Explorer. You wait for the page to come up. And then you type in your URL. So for me, https colon slash slash 192.168.100 dot 242 and then colon 12345 and press enter. Okay, same thing. We're gonna go advance, continue, and here we have our login for Webmin. So one more time, you type in your root, then your password, and sign in. And from the Windows client, we can see the host name as well as the start history and so on. And that's it for my Webmin GUI.